Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix when you can't send text message on TikTok. If you recently tried sending a text message to one of the creators on TikTok, but you are not being able to send the text message, instead you receive this kind of an error message, then there are some reasons for that to happen. Before proceeding further, if you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's move ahead. If you can't send text messages on TikTok, then it is either because you are under age of 16 or you are not a mutual followers with the user, or the users has set their safety settings to nobody. So first of all, make sure that the birthday information that you set up on TikTok during the sign up process exceeds the age of 16. If you are underage, then the message option will not be available for you. Secondly, if you're not the mutual followers with the user, then you won't be able to send them text message. So in order to be able to send those text message, make sure you're friends with the person that you are trying to send the text message to. Once both of you are friends, you can easily send text message and they will be able to reply to yours as well. This is because TikTok has a safety feature that is called Who Can Send You Direct Messages. Here, users can choose who can send them direct messages, so if one of your contacts that you are trying to send the direct message has not enabled that option on your TikTok, then you won't be able to send them direct messages. If all of those reasons does not match yours, then in this case, go to your Play Store and search for TikTok. From the search result, tap Open TikTok and make sure you've downloaded the latest version of TikTok. If your app is not up to date, then this might be one of the reasons for your text message function not working on TikTok. Once you update your application to the latest version, go back to TikTok and see if that solves your issue. Also, go to your settings on your phone, go to apps under settings, search for TikTok from the list of the applications displayed on the screen. Once you find the app, tap it on. Tap on the first stop button at the bottom right and tap on OK. Go to Stories from the same page and tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right and tap on Clear Data at the bottom left and tap on OK. Now go back to your TikTok application one more time and re-sign into your account and see if that problem fixes. After you make this change, you might be able to solve your problem. Those are some of the reasons and fixes that you can try out whenever you are having trouble sending text messages on TikTok. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.